Good morning.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
All of you.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
So you all woke up? I wasn't expecting from you. I thought I would be the only one who would be conducting the
Morning,
lesson.
ma'am.
And okay, that's
No,
really
ma'am,
nice.
we woke up in the morning.
That's really great. I'm really impressed by all of you. I wasn't expecting it at all. I
ma'am.
thought you would be sleeping. Very
Woke up at 8
That's
No, ma'am, we awake.
yes, very nice, very good. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Let everybody come and then we will start in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
where are the marks of the English test?
So you didn't see the marks?
No.
Okay, it was automatically updated. Like rest of you have seen the marks or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
When you do your test and when you view the score, so the marks were automatically updated.
No, ma'am.
So Nazish, you didn't see your marks, so okay, I will send you on your Gmail today. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Ma'am,
class, listen to me now. I will mute all of you after 5 minutes because I have to start the lesson. So I have to start the lesson. So when there will be a lot of noises from your side, so it would create a lot of distortion. Okay. So you would be raising your hand if you have any questions in between the presentation, right? So today we are going to do the revision of comparative and superlative adjectives. So we're going to revise that topic once again. So I'm sure you all know about comparative and superlative adjectives, but today we're going to do the revision of that topic one more time, okay? As you know that this is a revision week going on, so we're going to go to revise this topic, okay? Who is with iPad? iPad. Kindly please write down your name because iPhone, iPad, I don't know who are they. So I want you to mention your name instead of iPad or iPhone, okay? Because unless I see the names, how would I know who is here? iPad and iPhone.
Ma'am, where?
No, I'm just asking that there is one girl here whose name is mentioned with iPad.
Ma'am, is it mine?
No, it's not yours. Your name is mentioned. Your name is displayed.
That's me,
Yeah, that's you.
Safina.
Yes, Safina, you have to write on your name, okay? Because
Oh, ma'am.
when you go to more option, it says rename. So from there, you have to rename yourself,
Okay, ma'am.
okay?
That's fine.
When you go to more options, So it says rename icon is it has a rename thing as well. So you have to click the rename and you have to rename yourself. And who is iPhone here with the name iPhone? So kindly mark your attendance as well. Have you marked your attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Where?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a chat box. You have to mention your attendance here, please. Write down your name with your section, okay?
Ma'am, can you see my attendance?
If you have written down the attendance, so it would be displayed here, don't worry. But you have to write down your name with your section and then you have to press enter. Then your attendance will be displayed in the chat box. Okay, students. I'm going to start my work now. So I'm going to share screen with you. So okay, students, I'm going to share my screen with you now. And I'm going to start my work. I am muting you from here. Just wait a minute.
Done.
Okay, class. So good morning and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Here is my screen. Okay, class. So over here, can you all see? Just raise your hands. Don't say anything, right? Can you all see the screen now? Just raise your hands, yes or not. Okay, fine. So I'm going to Okay, class, today we are going to do the degree of adjectives. As I told you about comparative and superlative adjectives, right? So first we need to understand what are adjectives and what are degrees of adjectives, right? So let's move on to the next slide and see what are degrees of adjectives. So look at the screen, all of you, and I'm reading it and then I'll explain you how it works. While using adjectives, adjectives, as you all know what are adjectives, adjectives are the words which are used to explain more about noun. They explain the quality of a noun, okay? So what are degrees of adjectives? While using adjectives, we may be generally talking about a quality. As you all know, adjectives are the words which explains more about noun, the quality of a noun. When we are using it to compare two entities, two things, or more than two, at least three entities or three things. So we will be using comparative and superlative adjectives when we are comparing the adjectives. So adjectives occur in positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. So there are two types of adjectives: comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. You will be given a positive degree of adjective, like a simple form of adjective word. So you will be writing the comparative and superlative degree of that adjective. So you need to understand how you will be writing the comparative and superlative degree of that adjective. From the book, I have told you that we use the comparative adjective when we are comparing only two things. When we are comparing two things, we will be using the comparative adjective, right? But when we will be comparing three or more, then we will be using the superlative adjectives. Okay, so these are the ways of converting positive degree of adjectives into comparative and superlative degree. Whenever we will be writing the comparative degree of adjective and superlative degree of adjective, just wait. When we will be writing the comparative and superlative degree adjective, there are two methods to do that. Okay, as you can see from my slide, the first method says, look at here, the first method says comparative degree is equal to positive degree plus er plus than. Okay, superlative degree in method 1, the superlative degree would be the plus positive degree plus est. Okay, for example, they have given you the example here. For example, there is a word clean. Okay, there is a word clean. When you will be using the comparative adjective of clean, okay, it would be cleaner than. Clean plus er, cleaner than. But when you will be using the superlative degree of the clean word, it would be the cleanest. Okay, as you see, clean is a positive degree. When you use the comparative degree of clean, you would say cleaner than. Like, my room is cleaner than your room, right? But when you would be using the superlative degree, that means over here you are comparing more than two. That means three or more. So over here you would be using the cleanest. For example, I'm comparing three classes. For example, 3A, 3B, and 3C. And out of these three classes, 3C is the class which is the most clean class. So I would say 3C is the cleanest to fall, right? So when we are comparing two classes, we would be using cleaner than. But when we'll be comparing three or more, then we will use the cleanest. Okay, so if you look at method 2 here, look at method 2 here. Method 2 says in the, yes,
ये कोई पेज पे करा रही हैं आप?
no, I'm not doing it on the page. I will ask you to open up the page as well. But when I'll ask you to open up the page, then you have to open up that page, but not now. Just look at the slides right now. Okay, so method 2 would be comparative degree is equal to more plus positive degree plus than. In some of the comparative adjectives, we use more than adjective than, okay? And in the superlative degree, we use the, most, and then the positive degree. How? Look at here the word powerful, okay? Powerful. As you see the word powerful here, so when you use the comparative adjective of this powerful, it says more positive degree and than. So more powerful than. So what is it? More powerful than. Of course, with the word powerful, you would see, if I ask you to apply method 1 here with the powerful word, can you say powerfuler than? Does it make sense?
No.
Yes, students, does it make sense? Powerfuler
Yes.
than. No, it doesn't. So I will tell you I will tell you some of the rules as well, how you have to, where you have to apply the more word, the most word, and
Okay.
where you have to apply ER and EST. So you would be more
Okay.
clear about it then. And the superlative degree of powerful would be the most powerful, right? You use the, then you use most, and then you use the positive degree that is powerful. So the word would be the most powerful. So there are two methods of doing these comparative and superlative adjectives. The first method would be, in the comparative degree, you would be adding positive degree plus ER and plus than. In the superlative degree, you would be doing the, then positive degree, and then EST. But in method 2, you have to use, in the comparative degree, you have to use more, then positive degree, and then. That is more powerful than. And in the superlative degree, you will be using the, most, and then the positive degree. As you can see here, the most and the positive degree is powerful. So the most powerful word is written here. Okay. So these are two
Okay.
methods to doing comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Okay. Some of the participants having problem in entering the room. Just wait a minute, students. Just wait a minute.
क्लास खत्म होगी
Okay, students, now
देखो 9:30 पे खत्म होगी उसके बाद और 9:40 पे दोबारा शुरू होगी और रहेगी 10:10 तक और फिर 10:10 से लेकर 10:20 तक 10:10
okay,
और
who is
10:20
saying
ब्रेक आएगी
who is saying that? I ask you to be quiet. Okay? You're not supposed to talk while I'm talking because it creates distortion and disturbance for me then, right? Okay, class, I'm moving on to the next slide now. Can you see this one? Okay, for this one, you just look at the slide first and I'll ask you to open the page, okay? As you can see the comparative and superlative adjectives here. Okay, as you see, these are the adjectives, these are the comparative adjective, and these are the superlative adjective, okay? And you have been given here that use comparative adjectives to talk about two things. When we talk about two things, we use these comparative adjective. But when we talk about three or more things, then we use the superlative adjective. Understand all of you? So the adjective word is loud. You have to make the comparative and the superlative adjective of loud. Loud is an adjective, or you would say the positive degree. Adjective or positive degree of adjective, we can use we can use both words for these ones. So when we say the comparative adjective of loud, it says sorry, louder than. As you can see, louder than. So over here you applied method 1 when you are using the comparative adjective. But when you say the superlative adjective, so you added est with it and it becomes the loudest. Understand? So the next word is beautiful. So beautiful comparative adjective is more beautiful than. So you see that over here, you have applied method number 2 here. And the most beautiful is the superlative adjective of beautiful. Understand all of you? So
Yes.
what are basically the main hidden points, like where you have to
Yes,
use
ma'am.
er and where you have to use more and most? So I'll be explaining in the next slide. I'll explain you in the next slide. Okay, class, over here, just look at. One minute.
Yes. Okay.
Just 1 minute, because you students are creating distortion for me. You talk while I say something, so I have to
Ma'am,
upload
which
these.
page number?
I didn't ask you to open up any page right now. We just need to look at.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students. So this is the chart which is given to you, right? So this chart is given to you over here. I'm going to explain you how to use, where to use the method 1 and where to use the method 2 when you are using or doing the comparative or superlative adjective. Who is Galaxy? Galaxy, wait. There is
Ma'am?
girl there is one girl whose name is Galaxy and she is annotating on the screen. Please don't annotate, don't write anything on the screen, okay?
Ma'am?
Yes, Safina?
Ma'am?
That's not me calling you. I'm not calling you.
Calling me then?
Ma'am, I'm calling you.
Yes, whose name is it?
Manahil.
Okay, yes, Manahil?
मैं ये बार बार दूसरे
Yes, Manahil, what are you saying, beta?
that the Zoom class is like not working. Sometimes it's like it's going away.
What is going away?
Like it looks like the class ended. It has happened
Okay.
to me 2 times already.
No,
Ma'am, the
actually,
class is end.
no, actually the problem is that you have the class is not ended yet. We are still left with 10 minutes. Class is not ended yet. The problem is that might be you have some internet connectivity issue. So it get disconnected and then you get reconnected again. Okay. So when you get disconnected, just reconnect yourself. That's fine. Just listen to me. I'm going to explain this chart, please. So then of course you have to attend your next class. So this is the positive degree. This is the positive degree and the comparative degree and the superlative degree. As you see, the word big. The word big, comparative would be bigger and superlative would be biggest. Okay. So put the before a superlative, as you all know. So here are some of the hints given to you. When you have one syllable, when the word has one syllable, for example, clear, dark. You see, clear, dark. It has only one syllable. One syllable means when you say this word, it is not breaking down into so many words like clear, dark. These are the words which has only one syllable. So when the words have one syllable, and when you are using the comparative and superlative of these ones, so comparative would be, you will be adding ER with it, and in superlative, you will be adding EST with it. These are the rules which you need to keep in mind. When the words have one syllable and they are ending with E, one syllable means wise. Like when you clap and you see that this word is broken down into how many, you would see wise. It says only one syllable. So it is ending on E as well. When the words are ending on E and it has one syllable, so you would just add R at the end and ST at the end to make it in comparative and superlative adjectives.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to do this work on our books.
No, we will not do anything on the books because you have done this one already. I'm just doing the revision, okay? So
Okay.
when the words are ending, look at the screen, all of you, please. When you have adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant, you just need to keep in mind one vowel. As you see, thin, fat, so it has one vowel. So when you will be using the comparative and the superlative of these ones, they become, just have to add ER and EST with it. So ER means you will be using thinner, fatter, like thinner than, fatter than, and in superlative ones, you would add EST at the end to make the thinnest and the fattest, okay? When the words are ending on two syllables ending in Y, like BZ, you see that it has two syllables. When you say this word, BZ, marry, so you see that it has two syllables and they are ending on Y as well. So I told you in my classes as well, when the words are ending on Y and it has two syllables, then I will take the place of Y and you would be using ER in comparative and EST in superlative. As you see that these words are ending on Y, so I will take the place of Y and then ER in comparative and EST in superlative. So busy, busier than, the busiest. Marry, merrier than, the merriest. Okay, understand all of you? And when the words have three or more syllables, like creative. When you clap, you would say the syllables. Like it is broken down into how many? Creative, three or more syllables. Then you will be using more and most with them. Like creative, more creative, most creative. Popular, more popular, most popular. Okay, all of you? So you would see, class, that these are some of the rules which you need to keep in mind while you will be doing the creative and the comparative and the superlative degrees of adjective.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so class, this one I would be discussing in my next class because I think our time has ended now. So I will be discussing this one in the next class, or then I think we have done this one before as well, but we will be revising since we are revising, so I will revise this topic and we'll re-continue from here again, okay? See you then.
Okay, ma'am.
Take good care of yourself. See you then. Bye-bye. Allah
Okay, ma'am.
Hafiz.
Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.
वो जो आपने वर्कशीट दिखाई थी वो मैंने नहीं की हुई
Which worksheet?
मैम मी टू जो अभी आपने दिखाई थी
नहीं, आपने वो करनी नहीं है. It is just for the explanation. That's it. It is just for the explanation, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Hafiz, ma'am.
Hafiz, ma'am. Hafiz, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Bye.